guys, welcome back to another video. As you guys saw, I was grocery shopping and I wanted to fill up my mini fridge that I have here. Yes, I wouldn't be me if I didn't have a mini fridge in my room. I've been thinking so long about this. Yes, sometimes it is a little noisy, so why am I always coming on here with my lip chap? Just give me 1 second, y'all. Guys, I promise you, I come in here with my lips chap, but I promise you I have lip gloss for days, okay? Also, the brightness was down. We don't know why that was, but yes, like I was saying, as you guys saw, that I went grocery shopping because I wanted to fill up my mini fridge. Got her, and I just got a few things because I had her for like maybe 3 weeks now, but I might be over exaggerating. I like it because, you know, it's my stuff, you know. That one got missing, say no. I just wanted like a mini fridge in my room. Y'all ignore the mess in the background. Today is literally a realistic day in my life. Like, this is definitely how my day happens and how it is all the time. Bed is not always made in the morning. I have like stuff in my main fridge, but I just wanted some personal stuff in this mini fridge. This is how it looks inside. As you can see, I do have some stuff in there, and we're just gonna like stack up and up the fridge because my camera is about to die also. And did we charge the extra batteries? No, I don't think so. I did end up getting some probiotics drink. If you know these, you know how good and awesome they are. Also, I got my favorite kind of yogurt is the Chobani, the coconut one. Obviously, in these bowls are like fruits that I keep in my room for like easy access. And yes, I got a tortilla flour thingy in here also, so ignore that. Also, I grabbed the yogurt drinks too because I love how convenient these are. You could just like literally grab them and go. And you guys know I've been saying this for like the past videos, about like my crazy schedule. So I just don't want to skip breakfast anymore. So I got some coconut water to stay hydrated, and of course I am drinking water too. But I just love me some coconut water, and I just had to grab it. These they're like sparkling beverages. They're like sparkling drinks. They're supposed to be like a healthier version from soda, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I do drink soda. I love me a good cold Coca-Cola, but we are mad at Coca-Cola right now, so we're not doing that. And also, I'm trying to stay away from soda too, because obviously it's not good for you, so we're trying to stay away from that. And so I just grabbed me these because these actually really do taste good. I feel for Coca-Cola, I always grab the Olipop cherry cola. Tastes just like a cherry Coke, so I gravitate more towards this. Well, I try to, because, you know, we're trying to be healthy. So I'm just gonna put these here. And yes, I do have an avocado in my fridge because I love avocado. So I got me this morning blend juice. I'm praying it tastes like orange juice, but it's like a healthier, better version of orange juice. So I want to like drink this like kind of in the morning instead of drinking orange juice. We got some shots. These are the energy shots, the detox shots. I want to like try the detox shots and see like how they make me feel, and also grab the energy ones because I want to try them too and see how they make me feel when I don't drink energy. Like, does it give me like, obviously it's not gonna give me the same type of energy that, you know, a energy drink is gonna give me, but I just want to see like, does it help though? You guys feel me? Y'all know what I'm saying? You guys know what I'm saying? So I grabbed me 2 of these and 2 of the detox. Hey guys, so this is how it's looking. I'm so proud of it. Hey guys, so we're currently in Zara trying on some pants. Why I'm liking these pants. Look so cute with these shoes. Good morning guys, happy Sunday. Currently getting ready for church. I am pretty tired. It is early in the morning. It's 8:41 in the morning and I have like 30 minutes to get ready. I'm gonna put some music on to help speed up the process. Y'all, sorry if I'm like talking low, but it's pretty early in the morning still. And everybody's asleep and I don't want to wake them up. No, I want no. This is the outfit for church this morning. I got this shirt from Cotton. I think the brand is called Cotton. And then the pants that I got from Zara. The only jeans that I found there that really fit me. I like them because they're still, you know, flowy. Because, you know, I'm a tall girl, so I need jeans that fits me. Sorry about my mirror, y'all. My whole entire room is a mess and we need to clean it when we get back. Then I got this perfume from Zara, Velvet Shadows, and like Armani My Way. I just have my watch on. And for bag, I'll just do this mini purse. One thing is my keys cannot fit in this. Wait. So it is almost bedtime. I finished the laundry and after that I was just chilling, ate some food and was just like watching vlog. I'm currently watching Mary J. I got an eye mask going because my eyes are looking a little crazy. It is 11:12 and bedtime is 11:30, so we're just winding down for now. But I wanted to come on here and close off this vlog. I want to tell you guys so much thank you for watching. If you got this far, I love ya. And I also wanted to say I'm so sorry that when I was in the grocery store, the lighting was very tragic and I'm just now really noticing the in those clips. And even when I got home, I think like when I turned up the brightness, that's when I'm learning that camera literally has an exposure feature that I didn't know about. So the brightness in the grocery store is a little crazy. You guys got this far. I love you guys, and thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, y'all, and I'll see you in the next video.